Hi everybody, it's Laura Peterson, and I just wanted to say that I'm so excited about the upcoming conference that's going to be happening on Monday, November 16th through Wednesday, November 18th. This is one of my favorite conferences of the year. You get to bring all of your teams, all of your people, because they get to know what's great for them through the Craig Proctor System. It's the OSA and ISA workshop, so it goes into a lot of great training that we don't get anywhere else. When I first did this conference several years ago, I was like floored by the amount of information that I was able to take away and how I was able to do so much better at selling as a result of this conference. So many of the things that we talk about with Craig are marketing, but this is other systems that exist in order to, make the system better. So it's a great conference, and I hope you all can come. I'm super excited because I'm actually going to be presenting here, and what I'm going to be talking about are the 10 tips to a successful presentation. Now, this isn't about your PowerPoint or anything like that. These are just extra little things that you can do to have a higher success rate. So if it helps you have a 1 to 2 to 5 to 10% better success rate by implementing these 10 tips, why not? And so it's a great talk that I'm going to be doing. I'm just finishing everything up on it. I look forward to seeing you all on that November 16th to 18th week. It's going to be awesome.